In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see downloaded files in Telegram quickly and easily, whether you're using Telegram Web or just trying to find a file after it is downloaded to your computer. This is a simple but super useful trick, especially if you've downloaded documents, videos, images, or audio files and you're not sure where they went. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the chat that contains the file you want to download. If you haven't downloaded it yet, click on the file in the chat to start the download. Depending on the file type, Telegram may begin downloading automatically, or it may ask you to confirm the download. After the file finishes downloading, the next step is to find it on your computer. The easiest way to do that is to open your browser's Downloads page. On most browsers, you can do this instantly by pressing Ctrl and J on your keyboard. This will open a list of your recent downloads, including the file you just downloaded from Telegram. From there, look for the file name in the list. Once you find it, click Show in Folder or Open File Location. This will open the exact folder where the downloaded Telegram file is stored, so you can access it directly, move it, rename it, or open it with the right app. If you don't see the file where you expected, there's one more thing to check. If you changed your browser's default download location at any point, the file may have been saved to a different folder instead of your usual downloads folder. In that case, go to the folder you set as your custom download location and look for the Telegram file there. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to see downloaded files in Telegram and where to find them after they've finished downloading. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when you need to access important files fast. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.